Hi Jaius, my name is Agostino Canando, and welcome to my channel, on the series Storytelling. And let me tell you the story of João. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a young man named João. João had always been skeptical about the opportunities to make money online. He believed that the virtual could not become real enough to support someone financially. However, João's life took an unexpected turn when his city faced a severe financial crisis, resulting in economic difficulties for many families, including his. Unemployed and facing financial problems, João began to reconsider his convictions. He decided to explore the vast world of the internet in search of opportunities that could offer extra income to help him overcome financial challenges. After extensive research, João discovered that he could use his skills and knowledge in areas such as law, management and pedagogy to create valuable and educational content. He decided to invest time and a little money into improving his skills, such as creating and editing videos. João started producing informative and educational videos in Portuguese, English and Spanish. He addressed relevant topics, offering practical tips, valuable insights, and sharing his knowledge with the world. Initially, progress was slow, but João maintained his dedication, learning from the challenges and adjusting his approach to audience feedback. As his videos gained recognition, João began receiving requests for collaborations and partnerships. Companies and educational institutions noticed his talent and started hiring him to create custom content. His income gradually grew, transforming the online activity that started as a temporary solution into a solid source of income. João not only overcame his financial difficulties, but also discovered a passion for sharing knowledge and helping others. Her journey of skepticism turned into an inspiring story of resilience and success. Today, João continues to create valuable content, inspiring people around the world to explore the possibilities that the internet offers, even in the midst of uncertainty. We will enter a journey of growth in terms of rhetoric, law, technology, management, and pedagogy. Please subscribe so we can reach more people.